Hey Fab Fam, and welcome back to a new video. As y'all can see by the title, this is a bathroom update / transformation video. And y'all, I am so excited because I finally get to reveal to you all what I've done to spruce up my space and turn it into an oasis that I actually love and something that I deserve for myself. And of course, I'm sharing it with my husband. So make sure you all give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, interact and comment in the comment section, and definitely subscribe to the channel and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. So with the updates I've done to my bathroom, I believe I stayed under $400, which I am very excited about because y'all, it don't take much to update your bathroom, and that's what I spent. But of course, there are things that you can purchase for your home if you want to spruce it up, and if you have a lower budget than $400, you can definitely do that. I think I bought this small thing of paint. It probably was no more than $25. So just painting your restroom or painting in a certain area in your home can help liven it up and make it look so much new and better. So y'all, let's go ahead and jump into the video.
So this is how the restroom looked before I got started. My husband actually had already taken the mirrors down, so all I had to do was go ahead and take the rest of the stuff out of the restroom. And y'all, I bought that plant from Target. It is so cute. It was 30% off. The mirror came from Lowe's. I have 2 of those. And y'all, this gorgeous curtain came from Walmart. I absolutely love it. And y'all, these towels came from Target. They were pretty pricey. I wish I would have looked at the price before I purchased them. But yes, y'all, those are some of the additions that I will be adding to make the space look so much better and spruced up. So y'all, as a homeowner, this was something that really got under my skin. When I pulled that off, I noticed it was a hole in my wall. I was so angry, but I still decided to go ahead and fill it. I didn't learn till later on that I was supposed to put some type of sheeting over it and then put the putty stuff on top. It still worked out. I still got it covered, and you couldn't tell it was a hole right there. And it was actually 4 holes like that for where both of the mirrors were. This is why inspecting your home is so important. But when you have a restroom, when you're first touring a home and everything is just in place and it looks nice, you don't think anything is wrong with it.
It is the next day. So yesterday I attempted to buff off or sand down the putty that I put on the wall because I'm a beginner. This was actually my first time ever doing it. I have seen my husband do it before, but I'm not him. So mine is so clumpy. So I used this one yesterday, and y'all, all that's on there and it didn't do the job. So I went and got another one. I just threw the packaging away. Let me see. This is like a medium coarse type sanding block or sponge. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to sand it down with this. And y'all, this stuff right here, it takes 1 to 5 hours to dry. So that's why I really waited till the next day, because I wanted it to be completely dry before I started doing it. And the reason for sanding is because I want it to be as smooth as possible. good one right here. This one right here, it wasn't worth it. Yeah, this one was like $2 and something. And I think I paid about 6 or 7 for this one. So, yeah, I'm about to go ahead and start getting paint. So, y'all just watch me do that. And I'm using basically the same color paint that's on the wall now. It's not a color change. This just is going to spruce it up, make it look more better before I add in my new mirrors and stuff like that.
The mess. Drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up.
So y'all, I am finally done painting. I painted the trim and I trimmed around the parts that I missed with the roller. I also painted my cabinets a little bit and the baseboard. So y'all, I'm done painting. I'm gonna let this dry for probably about an hour before I come back in and decorate. And then I need to get some air. I honestly should have opened that window because all the paint fumes kind of starting to make me feel sick. But yes, y'all, I'll come back and show y'all how everything's gonna look. But of course, I have to clean up first because it is a mess. So, and I got paint. I don't have that much paint on me, but just like on my hands and clothes or whatever. But yes, y'all just stay tuned so y'all can see what else I'm gonna be doing.
Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire, fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now.
That's cute. But that looks nice. Seriously. Y'all, we have mirrors.
And that's
Yeah. see that you've made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much. I really hope that you may have gotten some inspiration and some motivation to want to do some updates of your own to whatever space in your home that you would like to update. And y'all, I absolutely love the way my bathroom looks. Like I said, it's like an oasis to me. It's aesthetically pleasing. It's cute. To me, it's girly, but it's still inviting for a man as well, because me and my husband share this bathroom. So I don't want it to be all pink and all that and all girly. I want it to be neutral and nice, something that both of us can enjoy. But thank y'all for watching. Let me know what y'all think about the video in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see y'all in my next video.